Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is XYZ. Today I'm going to do another mukbang. Woo! Here is the soup, egg. Here is, you can see, onion, garlic, chutney. We call Khui Tam. I don't know in English, but we call Khui Tam. Okay, next time I'm going to do pork mukbang, pork capsule or fat mukbang. Okay, I thought of doing this time. I'm planning, but then due to some uncircumstances, it not happen. But next time, compulsory, I'm going to eat that long pork capsule. Okay, okay. Here today I'm going to eat egg. Come on, let's get started. Okay, let's get started. Whoa. Tasty. Wah, super. Wow. Super. Very tasty. Khui Tam, Khui Tam. You can see? Khui Tam. Okay, I'm going to mix the egg with the rice for better taste. I'm going to mix the egg yolk and the rice together. This will make another taste. Wow. East, north, west, south. Khui Tam is the best. Last piece. I already finished my plate, egg, everything. Within how much minute? I don't know. I didn't look the time because of that. Guys, please like and share. Subscribe. Next time I'm going to do pork capsule mukbang. So stay tuned. Keep watching my video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm going to go and eat in the kitchen another plate. Thank you. Okay, I'm going to end this video from today. Nothing special. You can comment me what kind of food or the curry shall I eat. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.